Welcome to KFA Forex Lovers. This is our very first educational video, and we're so delighted to have this first educational video where we come to learn Forex facts. So without taking much of your time, let's get right into it. How many of you know the foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid market on earth? Yeah, think about any financial market, the Forex market is larger than it. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section below. Although the broader market has experienced a variety of unexpected negative effects due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Forex market in itself has remained relatively unharmed, at least for now. In fact, the volume of trading has increased due to the volatility that the pandemic has brought on, and this has created opportunities for many traders, getting more opportunities daily on the Forex market. It is impossible to tell how the pandemic will affect the foreign exchange market from here on out, but up to this point, the increased volatility of the global economy has brought about a huge amount of opportunities for Forex traders, particularly in the short term. Right now, let's get into some Forex history. Before we go into the history of Forex trading, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want to receive more content like this weekly from KFA. Come on, go on right now and hit the subscribe button. Forex trading, as we now know it, began in 1973 after the collapse of the Bretton Woods system, which tightly regulated exchange rates. However, Forex trading has existed in one form or another for a very long time, just about as long as humans have used coinage. There is evidence that Forex trading, or an early form of it, occurred in ancient Babylon, Egypt, and Byzantine Empire. In the 15th century, the famed Medici family of Florence opened banks in foreign lands specifically for the purpose of facilitating trade and currency exchange. The first true Forex market was established in the Dutch city of Amsterdam some 500 years ago. The story of modern Forex trading begins with the gold standard adopted by various countries around the world in the late 19th and early 20th century. The gold standard guaranteed the value of national currencies. Any note could be converted into a certain amount of gold. The expenses of World War I meant that countries had to start printing large amounts of money that weren't backed by gold. This led to inflation and the eventual abandonment of the gold standard in 1931. After World War II, a new system was put in place with the Bretton Woods Agreement. The US dollar was pegged to gold. At a fixed rate of $35 per ounce, the dollar became the world's reserve and reference currency, and other national currencies were fixed to the dollar. But that isn't quite the end of the story. For the longest time, Forex trading was an arena that was solely available to large institutions with a huge amount of capital, such as governments and banks. However, the 1990s brought with them a perfect storm for Forex trading. Dozens of economies had begun the transition to capitalism and technology, particularly the internet and electronic communication networks revolutionized communication and information exchange. All of a sudden, the barriers that prevented your average Sam from giving Forex trading a try were gone. The advent of retail Forex brokers allowed individual Forex traders to invest far smaller sums, and it was no longer required to have an army of brokers and traders at your beck and call to participate in this form of investing. That brings us to the present day. Now, Forex trading is popular in a number of jurisdictions. There are a number of regulated Forex brokers in the United States and several other leading countries as well. But what does the future hold in store? We don't claim to know for certain, of course, but today's technological advancements are already beginning to have an effect on the forex market. The rise of cryptocurrencies, in particular, will surely have a large effect on the foreign exchange market by the end of the decade. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video as well. In our next video, we'll be talking to you about the size of the forex market. So do watch out for that video and have a lovely week.